Hey guys, so today's tutorial is going to be on this wing over wing overlay eyeliner look. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my LA Girl Pro Primer Stick in white, and I'm just going to prime my eyelid. Now with my small eyeshadow brush by Wet n Wild, I'm going into the box of Crayons Palette, and I'm going to take the color orange, and we're just going to pack that all over the primer. These shadows are very creamy and easy to blend out. They also provide great color. Now taking my Wet n Wild Megaliner in black, I'm just going to create a wing. Now taking my NYX Vivid Eyeliner in Halo, we're just going to do a skinny wing over the black wing, kind of like an overlay. Each time you put it back into the container, you're going to want to wipe it off so the black doesn't go into the yellow. And you just have to go really slow and be really precise with this step. Now taking my LA colors in Limeade, I'm just going to put this on the waterline and lower lash line. Now going back into the box of Crayons Palette, I'm going to take the color green with my Moda Smokey eye brush, and I'm just going to pop that in the inner tear duct. To finish off the look, I'm taking my Lash Paradise Mascara, and we're just going to put this on the upper lashes. Now taking this cosmic alien looking brush and my Forever 21 blush, I'm just going to blush up my cheeks a little bit, give it a little bit of color. And yeah, that pretty much completes this wing over wing overlay eyeliner look. Don't forget to like and subscribe below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, the water's not very clear, so I'm basically jumping. But let's go ahead and get started.